On Saturday, we marked the second anniversary of Russia's unprovoked, brutal, appalling act of aggression on its neighbour. It hasn't only been a Russian war against Ukraine, but a Russian war on reality. Barefaced lies peddled as fact, whether in that infamous Putin interview a couple of weeks ago around the Security Council table, or pushed onto our smartphones and news feeds and with the aid of Russian bot factories and troll farms and proxies, whether witting, unwitting, or frankly witless. And then, of course, next week, Super Tuesday, the busiest day of the US presidential primary cycle, and a reminder of what is at stake in the busiest election year that anyone can remember, with more than 80 countries and half of the world's population voting in elections this year. But I think many of us will also be wondering what role misinformation and disinformation will play in those elections, and what the implications will be for our societies, for our democracies, for global security and stability. This question of disinformation narratives and how we navigate our information environment is simply one of the biggest challenges I think we're all facing at the moment. You know, now more than ever we need serious professional journalists and media who are asking tough questions, who are checking sources, who are challenging and exposing mis and disinformation, who are challenging our political leaders and holding them to account.
Zbog sve intenzivnijeg zapravo širenja dezinformacija kao i manipulativnih narativa koji su, pokazalo se, još opasniji, jako je važno raditi na osnaživanju novinara i na podizanju kvalitete novinarstva i općenito standarda u novinarstvu, baš kao i na osnaživanju organizacija koja se bave provjerom informacija, odnosno fact-checkera.
We need to fight disinformation because it leads to polarization in societies, mistrust in societies, and people feeling they don't know who they can believe, what they can believe, and so that everyone's against them and open the door for conspiracy theories and even more sort of anti-democratic attitudes and feelings.